Our newest listing today is the ultimate family home. It's on a quiet crescent, it has great upgrades, privacy, and a backyard that feels like your own resort. Let's take a look. I'm at 1798 Woodhaven. This home is move-in ready, and it's perfect for families who want to entertain, nature lovers who love peace and privacy, and finally, buyers who appreciate modern updates like a gorgeous kitchen, updated windows, and wonderful fixtures throughout. Before we take you through the home, Kareem's going to tell you a little bit about the neighborhood.
We're in Queenswood Heights South today, and you'll find very quickly this neighborhood was designed with families in mind. It's somewhere where kids still ride their bikes in the street and neighbors still look out for each other. There are great schools close by, just minutes away. For playtime, you're spoiled for choice. Queenswood Ridge Park is just around the corner with a playground, splash pad, and sports fields. Plus Ravine Park if you're looking to explore trails or take the dog out. Need to run errands or grab dinner on the go? You're just minutes to Innes Road, where you'll find grocery stores, coffee shops, family restaurants, big box stores, and medical clinics. Commuters will love the easy access to transit and Highway 174. And even better, the Orleans LRT station is on its way. So whether you're raising a young family, caring for teens, or want a place to just grow some roots, Queenswood Heights South will quickly feel like home.
"1798 Woodhaven Heights was built in 1983 and has over 2,000 square feet above grade with an additional 670 square feet in the fully finished basement. On the main floor, you'll find a beautiful kitchen with quartz countertops and modern cabinetry. There's also a spacious family room with a wood-burning fireplace. There's also a formal living area that could make the perfect home office and a large dining room ready for your holiday dinner parties.
Step into this backyard on an oversized, irregular lot that backs directly onto a ravine, meaning no rear neighbors and unmatched privacy. Relax on the expansive deck or take a dip in the in-ground pool, complete with a new filter, liner, and accessories. This backyard is really made for summer.
Upstairs, you'll find 4 generously sized bedrooms, including a beautiful primary suite with a modern ensuite and large walk-in closet. This space is perfect for a growing family.
This basement adds tons of flexible space with a 5th bedroom, full bathroom, and a huge rec room.
If you're interested in your private tour, reach out to us today. And if you know someone who would fall in love with 1798 Woodhaven and this great location in Orleans, have them reach out to us. We'll be happy to help them make their best move.
On the main floor, you'll find a beautiful modern kitchen with quartz countertops and it's modern cabinetry.
Queenswood Heights South is a neighborhood designed with families in mind. You're an established community. Forgot a word there, my bad.